Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you check flight status on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to check flight status, at first just go to your notes. Now after going to your notes, just write a new note, click the bottom right this icon. Now just put the flight name and click the top right done. And here you can see there is underline under the name, just click on that. And here you can see preview flight, click on preview flight. And if the information is available, all the information will be in front of you. So guys, that's how you can check flight status on iPhone or iPad. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.